Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Catalysts change reaction pathways. Let's analyze this energy diagram to see how arrows A and B shift when we add a specific chemical catalyst.
Adding a catalyst provides an alternative reaction pathway with a much lower activation energy requirement. This means the peak of our energy curve drops significantly compared to the original uncatalyzed version.
Looking at the diagram, arrow A represents the activation energy needed for the reaction to proceed. Since the catalyst lowers this barrier, the magnitude of energy A must become smaller now. Arrow B shows the potential energy difference between reactants and products, the enthalpy. This value remains constant because starting and ending states never change.
Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Always trust the given thermodynamic state functions.